Hi everyone, Jaymes Mansfield here bringing you yet another video. Oh, they really aren't. 1 second. Okay, where was I? Hi everyone, Jaymes Mansfield here bringing you yet another video. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am so excited to bring you another installment of Domestic Goddess. Ooh, yes. And today it is a very special video. It is Cinnamon Toast Crunch everything, just about, except for the bowls and the pans or anything. That's not made out of Cinnamon Toast Crunch, but the ingredients are for the most part. So that's what we're doing today. I found this in the grocery store. Cinnamon Toast Crunch Cinne-dust cake mix. Now they're really pushing this Cinne-dust thing because, well, I don't know, but everything has Cinne-dust on it. I think it's their buzzword for this campaign. It's on the frosting. It's on Cinnamon Toast Crunch seasoning. Did you even know they made that? I didn't. I found out today on Instacart. So yeah, we have that. We have our good old BC cake mix, and that's what we're gonna do today. We are gonna make us a Cinnamon Toast Crunch infused cake because it is my absolute favorite cereal, and I even got the cereal here. It's gonna be Cinnamon Toast Crunch everything. Yes. So let's get started, shall we? Now, I have fond memories of Cinnamon Toast Crunch because as a child, when I was allowed to have sugary cereal, it was usually the one my parents would get us. And then my sister would eat the whole thing out of the box. And by the time it got to the morning time for me to have a bowl of cereal, there was like nothing but crumbs left. So thank you for that. But as an adult, I'm free to buy this whenever I want and eat it out of the box if I so choose for myself, and no one else gets to have it. I don't have to share with anyone anymore, which I love. Well, except for Ernie if he wants it. But still, that's one of the wonderful things about being an adult. You can buy a big box of cereal and just eat it on the couch all by yourself. It's not sad. It's empowering. That's what the word I'm thinking of. It's an empowering thing you can do. Oh, that smells good. That cinnamony flavor. And there's like cinnamon chunks in it. Unless it's bugs that got into it. Is it bugs? Oh no, it's cinnamon. Okay, good to know. Alrighty, now what next? What next? BC says to preheat the oven to 350, which I did, as well as grease a pan bottom only. Oh, grease the bottom only? Oh, okay, unless it's the size pans I have, then I grease them regularly. All right, 1 second. All right, here we go. Greasing the pan. And this time I'll make sure and use a lot of grease because last time some of the cake came off and you guys told me I didn't grease the pan enough. So check this out. I'm learning. Okay. Those are greased. Good to know. What next? What next? What next? Mixed cake mix, water, oil, eggs in large bowl with mixer on medium speed. Okay, I can do that. Let's do the grease first. Let's do that first. All right, so we're gonna put the oil in there, and that needs a ½ cup of vegetable oil. That's a lot of oil. Well, if it says so, okay. That is so much oil. Okay, let's put that in there. Yeah, it says 1/2 cup. I can read. It's just when butter is involved that it becomes a problem. Okay, 3 eggs and 1 cup of water. And I'm gonna substitute the water for almond breeze milk, which is what I'm gonna do right now. Let's do that because the eggs, I have to get a bowl and break them in there. So we're just gonna do this right now. It still smells good. Almond milk, I realized, stays fresh for a really long time. So we're good, we're good. Okay, that's in there. Now the eggs. La. Okay, I'm gonna move some stuff around. You're gonna go over here now. Ooh, that was fun. Look at the little character on the back. I like that. It looks like he's talking to my doll. And if you're wondering what that is the Jaymes Mansfield doll for Makeshift. Yes, we are doing a collaboration right now for Pride Month. Yes, and 1% of the proceeds will be going to the Trevor Project. That's right. She's a charitable queen, so be sure and get one. I'll have them listed in the description down below. We're almost to our goal. Or scan this QR code right here. Thank you. All right, let's do the eggs and hopefully this doesn't turn into a huge disaster. Okay, eggs, eggs, eggs. We haven't gotten a stillborn on this channel yet, but there's always trying. Bloop. Not got an eggshell in it. Damn it. Okay. See, aren't you glad I didn't crack it in the bowl? Bloop. More eggshells. God damn it. These are some crumbly eggs. Okay, and cheese. Okay, eggs. Now he's got to mix this on medium speed vigorously. Or I think that's what it said. What did it say on the box? Medium speed or beat vigorously. So I guess if I was doing it by hand, I had to like beat the crap out of it. So we're gonna do it with a mixer on medium speed. Here we go. Loading it up. Let's do this. Well, this is looking yummy. Now I'm gonna mix this and I'll be right back and we'll pour it into the pans. Be right back. Hello, I am back. Now it's all been mixed vigorously, so it's time to put it inside the pans and hopefully it'll be even. So here we go. The mixing process actually turned out to be very smooth. No problems there. Now it's the matter of getting it in this pan. Bloop, 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 bloop. All the goopiness. Yes. I have to have it. Yes. Cinnamon Toast Crunch goodness all inside of a cake. I'm so excited for this, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's do another one. We'll add more as we see it. We're going to basically, you know, eyeball this, as I tend to do on this channel, because I have a vision when it comes to baking, and for the most part, it's usually right, depending on what angle you're looking at it. Cake! It's all looking so good. Now, I'd say Cinnamon Toast Crunch, like I said before, was one of my favorite cereals growing up. We didn't get it that often because my parents really was like on this kick of getting us like cereals that were healthy for us to eat. They didn't want to get us less sugary cereals, especially for like my older sister and me, the baby in the family. So they really tried to push like Kix, Chex, like what's it, Chex, Kits, Cheerios, but not like Honey Nut, regular Cheerios. Wheaties, oh my God, Wheaties. All those like really bland cereals that you need like a cup of sugar in order to get any kind of like, you know, satisfaction with it. I'm convinced that people that can eat Kix unseasoned with no sugar are generally the ones that probably grow up to like, you know, commit atrocities in this world because you're depriving yourself at an early age of something enjoyable. Now, here we go. These look fairly even. Scale. 0.3. This one has less? It doesn't look like it has less. Maybe it... 182, 18.2. Oh, they're the same. Wow. I did it again, you guys. I measured this perfectly just by eyeballing it. I think I am magical. I'm a domestic goddess. This name is fitting. Now, here we go. I'm going to put these in the oven and they have to bake for exactly... for this amount of time. Let me see. About 29 minutes, it says. Okay, so I'll set a timer. Oh, don't fall, don't fall, don't fall. Oh my God. Oh, okay. I'm gonna set a timer for 29 minutes and I'll be right back. All right, we are back. The cakes are all cooled off. So let's get started and start depanning them and hopefully, oh, okay, there we go. All right, I got it out of the pan, plop. Now, my friend Darren gave me this cake leveler, and I promised I would use it this time. So here we go. I don't know how this is supposed to work. I feel like the later scenes in Audition when she's cutting off the guy's foot. Why do I feel like this didn't level evenly? Oh my God, that felt violent. Let's see how it looks. It doesn't really look leveled. It looks smaller. I feel like I just lost a whole layer of cake. Yeah, that's a lot of cake lost. Why do people do this again? Well, it looks like good cake. What the hell am I supposed to do with all that now? Look how small it is. I hate this. Darren, why do people do this again? Because I feel like I'm getting less cake now. Anyways, let's frost it. All right, so.
It's not even level.
It really isn't. This was horrible. It's like really bad, doesn't it? I was set up. This here was a setup. This audition Saw 4 contraption that you gave me, Darren. You set me up. I guess I should just frost what I have now that the cake is ruined. To be fair, the cake was probably ruined as soon as I started cooking it. But still, I am fueled by vengeance now because my friend Darren set me up. This is all his fault. And now my cake is going to be uneven because of his stupid cake leveler. I'm so angry right now. But you know what? This is a good thing. It means I eat less cake. And I don't need to be eating a whole lot of cake right now. That's right. Just fueled by anger. Let the anger fuel you. Just think of all the dress sizes you'll fit into by not eating so much cake, Jaymes. Yes, that is exactly it. I'm so angry right now. Frosting looks good, and it's got little chunks of cinnamon. This is gonna be a really cinnamon-ass cake, that's for sure. How does it feel like I'm using more frosting than I usually do? Because I feel like I'm already to the end of the frosting. All right, well, there's that. Now, am I supposed to level the other part of the cake too? Or just put it on as is? Okay, it's just a smaller cake now. We're gonna repair some sections here with cake. All right, well, I filled in the gaps. Now I guess we can just frost it because it looks fairly even now.
No, it doesn't.
All right, let's frost it. We'll make up for it by decorating it. There we go. It's like I always say, as long as the cake tastes good, it doesn't matter what it looks like or what it took to get there. Spread around, lay frosting. And if any of you have any advice on how to use this cake leveler thing, let me know, because I feel like I probably made a huge mistake and didn't even realize it.
You did make a huge mistake, and you realized it.
Shut up! Let me live in my own bliss of ignorance. Gosh. Okay, here we go. Frosting a nice little layer of cake. You know what? This is going to be great. I'm just going to frost the sides, and I'll be right back with a nice frosted cake. And we're just going to ignore what happened with that devil leveler, okay? Be right back. All right, I am back. This is the cake all decorated. Yes, I know, it is gorgeous. It is gorgeous. So I'm going to take the Cinnamon Toast Crunch Cinne-dust and put it on top. Seasoning blend. It says great for toast, cookies, ice cream, and more. It does not say cake, but I'm guessing that goes in the and more part. So let's do this. Dust. She is dusted. You never have enough cinnamon. Okay. Should I do the cinnamon challenge? Let's do the cinnamon challenge. No, I'm not going to do that. It's played out. All right. So let's take our knife and cut into this. Here we go. There we are. And as a little extra bonus, I'm going to take me some Cinnamon Toast Crunch cereal, and I am going to just crush it up there. And just stick it on in there. Yeah. Because if I do it on top of the cake and put it in the fridge, I learned that with cereal, it starts to turn stale and it tastes really unappetizing. So we're not doing that. Now, time to take a bite. Alrighty, here we go. Okay, hold up. This is really good. It's probably my favorite one so far. Like, we tried Cinnamon Toast Crunch cookies on Ernie's channel, and we might have baked them a little too long or something because they were really hard after a while, and they weren't as good as this. Like, those are just plain cinnamon cookies. This actually tastes like Cinnamon Toast Crunch cereal, minus the cereal bits on it. Let me try it without the cereal bits. Yeah, definitely. Highly recommend this cake. The cake is sickening. Oh my God. It has taken me back to childhood. Imagining all those bowls of Cinnamon Toast Crunch I could have been eating had my selfish sister not ate all the cereal out of the box before anyone could get it and then put the empty box back in the cupboard like there's still cereal in it. So we had to sit there and have the humiliation of dumping an empty box of crumbs into a bowl of fresh milk. Anyways, that's not your trauma. That's mine. I shouldn't dump it on you. Thank you guys so much for watching Domestic Goddess. Oh my gosh. And don't forget, I have my doll available at Makeship. Be sure and hit this right here if you want to get her and help me reach my goal. If we hit it, the doll will be made, and every doll that's sold, a portion of the proceeds goes to the Trevor Project for Pride Month. Yes! Ooh. And I have a Venmo moment, and I must thank you personally this time. Thank you, Sergio. Now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye. Now hit the outro. Click here and watch me use the Trixie Mattel X The Good Die Young collection. Or see me and Jasmine Kennedy in the last episode of Domestic Goddess. We made Anthony from Queer Eye's grilled cheese. Come on, click it. You know you want to. If you don't click it, it won't be a hot girl summer. So click it.